Hi, welcome back. We are going to taste an Apothic Red Winemakers Blend. So here we are. We've tasted an Apothic wine before, but this one is their Winemakers Blend. So I think it's got Syrah or Shiraz in.
Yep.
It's got Zinfandel.
Yep.
It's got Merlot.
Yep.
And it's got Cabernet Sauvignon.
So all the usual suspects in there, isn't it?
So yeah, the sort of the top runners really.
Yeah, definitely.
So from California, which is where presumably why it's got Zinfandel in it.
Mm-hmm.
Should we have a look at the colour?
Oh, let's do it, John.
No, that is nice, isn't it? It's rich. It's like a pool that you want to dive into. And my eyes are doing exactly that.
Yeah, I see what you mean. It's a lighter purple, or it's like a young purple, but not quite purple.
Yeah, I get that.
But wanting to be.
It's just on the cusp.
Oh yes, definitely.
Just on the cusp.
Of getting there. But
Yeah.
again, looks good, looks inviting. We always like that.
Absolutely.
Right, let's have a go on the nose.
Let's go on the nose. Oh wow! What is that, John?
That's unusual, is what that is.
Whoa.
But
I'm getting sort of like, I don't know, certainly herbal, violets, is it? Or?
yeah, right, I think you're getting it's almost a sweet smell.
Yeah. Wow.
I see what you mean. It's a bit like almost like blueberry-ish.
Blueberry, that's it. Blueberry. Yeah, exactly.
That's
Oh wow! I think
nice,
it's the first time I've ever smelt blueberry in a wine. So that's a little whoa. Oh, that's lovely.
I accidentally drank some of them because I was so excited.
Oh,
well, I didn't.
well,
It just took smell
nose.
it. It just took smell it. But yeah, that is you don't often smell blueberry anyway, so that is quite.
Yeah.
That was a wild card. That.
Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, I can't wait to taste it. I want
well,
to get there.
Let's do it, John.
Let's do it.
We're allowed. Yeah.
Whoa! This is £9. Whoa! This is worth more than. I'm not going to say that because they might put the price up. This is excellent. The mouthfeel is wonderful. The balance between the sweetness and the tannins is just right. It's not cloyy. Wow, that's really, really good.
This is completely correct in saying, John, quite an outstanding bit of wine, I think. You know, from the nose to the flavour, it's delivered. It's just very. It's not. I'm not speechless. I'm just saying it's like we don't often come across them when they're this good.
No,
I would say, and this is
certainly not at this price point.
Actually, the flavours there, it's rich. There's a bit of licorice in there. It's got everything we spoke about on the nose. So for me, that's again, it's a good box ticker. Like you said, the tannins are very, very soft. It comes across not sweet, but because that dry edge isn't there, it makes you want more. You want to smell it, you want to taste it. It commands a little bit of respect.
And when I took the second sip, I thought, well, the first time I did that, it surprised me and it was really wonderful. Now I bet I'm going to be, it's going to be a little bit of a letdown because I'm expecting it to be really good. And so wow, it still got it. I still got, wow, that's still good. That is excellent. The expectation was there and it delivered again. That is incredible.
And I'm just...
The guys, whoever, the winemakers, I think it was Boyd, wasn't it? Boyd Morrison?
Boyd, yes. Well done, Boyd.
Well done. That is absolutely spot on.
Now, I know we often talk about, when you can have this in company or with this sitting and eating food or whatever, but I can see myself sitting just on my own with this one, just enjoying that with a book.
Yeah, absolutely. I can see myself watching you do that.
It's not that interesting.
No, I could do that. I could do exactly the same.
I think there's laws against that.
What, watching someone read a book?
Yeah, it depends where you're watching them. It's through the window, so it's a bit odd. But no, even getting back on the nose there. You just want to keep readdressing it and finding out what was that, where is that coming from. Give it another go. Well,
that's pure delight, isn't it? Wow.
I must say it's been a while.
Well, since we've had one that's really sort of, we found one.
Yeah. So, but we do come across these stars every now and again, and so I'm going to give that I say yes star. So what about the matching?
Okay, the matching. So the first thing is, as we've said, I'm almost like enjoying it so much. I don't want to match anything with it because actually it's just so great on its own. I don't know where I want to put anything with it. But if I was to sort of pair this with something, I mean, it's obviously got the Zinfandel in there as Cabernet Sauvignon. So you could put it with any meat dish. I think it's strong enough to take a steak. It's strong enough to take, even with sauces. I think this is really, really, really good. I'm struggling. Barbecue even, with some ribs. It will be so versatile because there's a lot of power in that flavour.
There's a lot going on in that, and like personally, as you're talking, then I'm just thinking what we'll do with the cheese, and I'd have to bring this. For me, right now, while I'm drinking this, I'm thinking I'd love a bit of cheddar gorge or a nice bit of a really big, bold, powerful, unpasteurised cheddar, which again, I think, unfortunately, I think if for you of those in the States, unfortunately you won't be able to get the unpasteurised cheeses because I don't think they allow unpasteurised cheeses in the States. Or there's very few places you can get them, so they do tend to be quite expensive. So, unfortunately for you guys, I mean, there's a fair few that I've never thought about this before, but there's a fair few of cheeses which I might have recommended that will be available for you over there. Sorry, is all I can say there. But yeah, for those of you who can get unpasteurised cheeses, you want the big, bold cheddar. Cheddar gorge I would particularly recommend.
Yeah, because I think from our cheddar gorge is quite sort of tangy. I think that's trying to explain the taste. Quite tangy, strong. Almost sort of, you can get strong ones. Almost sort of take the skin off your tongue.
They tingle there. They get under your gum and they get your tongue.
And there may well be cheeses like that in the States. But when I've been over there, I've got a cheddar. It's been like really quite comparatively quite bland. So that's
I think it's a lot of pasteurised cheeses. I think Australia is the same. They don't allow, or they only allow in certain places unpasteurised cheese because there's a bacteria in there which I don't know they're allowed to have it in.
Is that how you say Australia?
So what would you say?
Australia. I did not say Australia.
No, because that's how it's pronounced here, Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
Classic. So scores.
Scores. I'll turn around. Let you do
your. Give us a second to think about this because
I can have another sip while you're thinking about that.
This is gonna pose me a challenge. All right, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I think that's right, John.
Okay. I'm ready. Shall I go for it?
Go for it.
91.
Oh. I said 90.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's very good, though.
I was like, should it be 90? No, I thought, no, at the price, I'm going to just tip it in.
You're going for that one. Well, in my mind, I was thinking, so I can't recall now because we've tasted so many. I can't recall, have I gone into the 90s before? I must have. I must have. But that, I think deserved to be in there.
94, 95 was the top score ever.
I'll have to look at that one.
Well, it might have been 93, but it's in that.
Well, I think, Oh, excuse me. Where did that come from? No, this does definitely deserve to be in the 90s.
Yeah, well, it is. Okay, well, if you want to have a look at some other blenders, Winemakers Blend, we'll put a link here. And so until the next time, guys, we'll see you there. Chin chin.
Chin chin.